When you had an RXP-X, I know the hull isn't perfect, but you enjoyed it, or it wasn't terrible. No, much better than ST3. Yes. When it came to the T3R hull, the differences between the T3R and the T3 were significant. Pump hookup was one, and the shark gills, I know they were gimmicky, but the shark gills, in fact, do work. All right. And they really did work because they broke up that surface tension when it came to a sweeping turn. That was one of my biggest complaints about the RXP-X, is that you really could not execute a very natural inside or a very natural sweep, wide sweep. Hairpins all day long. Wide sweep, it fought you tooth and nail. Hey guys, thanks for hanging out. This clip was taken from our weekly podcast that we record here every Sunday night at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you want to watch the whole video, you can go to the Watercraft Journal's YouTube channel, go to playlists, and then click on live sessions. You're going to see it there. Otherwise, go ahead and leave a like, a comment, and definitely subscribe to the channel. It helps us grow. And again, thanks again for watching our videos, and we hope to see you soon.